responsive, right?
Oh yeah. It actually looks like it moves now.
I've never seen you roast them before. We can't really roast them. Roast it.
Custom hood exit and super flexi hood.
It's fun.
Yeah, you roasted the crap out of it.
Yeah, gotta wear my Chinese $100 tires.
Well, just in case anything ever happens to the motor, good to know you have, what, 4 others?
3.
Damn! Normal V-stack.
Normal 4-inch V-stack. DA 4-inch V-stack.
Huge. This thing is insane, dude. I gotta get one for the Integra. Woo!
All the way.
What weight?
Yeah, we're making 2 different videos.
We're doing 2 different videos. So he's gonna do more of like a step-by-step install for the Lexan. Right now we just drilled a little pilot hole through the molding of the windshield. Now we got the wire going through the inside using a Harbor Freight windshield removal kit, and we're just gonna saw it back and forth with the wire, and then we'll get all the glass out and save a bunch of weight on the DA. Like,
not 100 pounds like Pablo said. We're probably gonna save like 60 pounds.
Maybe, I don't know, whatever helps. I mean, weight's weight, and we won't have a cracked windshield for the track. Got about half the windshield done already. Super easy. Like, the wire just goes in, you push it in with this little tool right there, and the wire snaps all the time. But
they give you a lot of wire for a reason.
Yeah, there's a crap load of wire over here, so got plenty to spare. And cuts through the molding like butter. Precisely cut pieces of Lexan, rear quarters, driver and passenger side windows, the windshield, and the hatch. Who did we get this from, Yost?
YNS. They actually sent us a decal just for the DA, since the DA is black and white. Here's the PA at our head for the DA as well. We have a white background with a black overlay that we'll be putting on the back Lexan window.
Hell yeah.
So that it has the same color scheme as the DA.
That's awesome. Huge thank you to YNS Lexan as always. Check the description. I always keep their link down below. Be sure to check out their Facebook page with prices, pictures, and everything you need to know about their company. They're super awesome and easy to work with.
Check out their Instagram, which is also linked down below.
Absolutely. And let's continue the install. You have anything to say to those people who say you only have a crappy DA and a crappy Juke?
I have a crappy Accord as well.
Oh my! Forward-facing goodness.
Cage,
oh, the turbo's not on right now?
Cage, custom built everything since nobody makes stuff for Accords. K-tuner shifter. GT 3788R.
Big old build.
Custom lower control arms from Fat Four Customs. Has dual 44s, dual inline filters, AN6 or 8 feed. But yeah, no, it's a crappy car.
Yeah, everybody says that he doesn't have another car because Homeboy doesn't want to finish the car.
Oh yeah, and a set of one T37s in America that nobody else has. Oh, what up? It has CL front brakes. Prelude rear brakes, traction bar, pretty much everything you can do to an Accord.
Way too much money, way little effort.
Oh, bride seat.
Homeboy never wants to work on it.
Never want to work on it.
Buying
JDM
side
front,
projects.
JDM rear.
We have to get a motivation, guys. Head over to his channel, make sure to comment on his videos, and tell him to work on the Accord. Work on it, because you never want to work on it.
I hate that car.
Oh my gosh. It could be so nice. Dude, forward-facing, huge intercooler. So it looks race car. Now it just needs to be race car. You just got the turbo back, didn't you?
This motor is 13-to-1 with Pro 1, Fiera 6000 valves, springs, retainers, everything. That motor right there, the blue one, is a Busy Moto long rod setup. So it's running 8 or H22 rods with custom pistons. It has a dual valve spring head on it as well. And I have a set of cams for that one, and this one is on Pro 1 cams. So I have parts. I just need to. Oh, it also has a comp twin disc.
We get it. You have every part on the market on the car. You just need motivation to work on it.
Yeah.
Head over to his channel.
K to H.
Spam him with comments. Get him to work on the car. Get him to finish the Accord. In the meanwhile, we'll be working on the DA, which the windshield is almost out. We got most of it off with this, and he's just sending the bottom. We can just cut it, dude.
Get the cutters.
I am. No. Like, you have a knife?
Don't buy that scraper. It's no good.
Not for scraping. This is cutting.
Puppy. I knew we were gonna have to cut at one point. Cut it with the
We're good. Just gonna step out right the windshield hold.
window exit. It's like sunroof exit, but.
You like how I'm holding it? That's your can.
So that's your. Let's weigh it.
Yeah, get on the goddamn scale.
Probably we gotta get the bottom of the piece out.
You're kidding me.
I gotta have all my
Are
glue.
you serious?
He is.
I'm serious.
Super weight reduction. We got the bottom piece of the windshield off. I don't think we're gonna count the little shards that are all over there.
We're counting them.
We're
We're counting
How much you think the windshield weighs stock?
30 pounds.
30 windshield.
28-year-old. Yeah, that's pretty close.
30 pounds or 29 pounds.
29 pounds on the dot.
Yeah.
So I called it. Nice.
29 pound. The Lexan windshield. What's that weighs? From 29 pounds to 9 pounds.
9.6 pounds.
9.6. Perfect. A lot lighter. There we go. This fits perfectly. SPDA. I like it. Shout out YNS Lexan.
Thank you,
The best.
YNS.
Oh, yeah. So how many rivets do you think you're going to do for the front?
Not very many.
No, because he wants to be super lightweight. I would recommend, if you're doing this at home, maybe about like every 4 or 5 inches do a rivet.
Probably 4 or 5.
He's going to do like every 1.5 feet maybe, because homeboy doesn't want the weight of this.
Every quarter, boys. Every quarter.
Aluminum rivets are extra heavy.
Oh my gosh. But are you going to paint the borders?
We will, just because Pablo's picky. And,
Yes, I think it'll look a lot better. You basically just pull back this protective coating right
the
there,
only problem
just a
with
little
that
bit.
is it paint weighs a lot. And
I hate you so much. Paint the borders, it looks a lot better.
How loud is it?
Why is he going for a ride with no wind? What are you doing? No windshield? You're gonna feel the difference with weight reduction?
How loud is it?
Super. Non-LSD life. Ah, that thing's so loud. My ears! Yeah, I was about to say we can just cut it at that point. Look at that. Perfect. All right, so I unfortunately have to head out to work right now. I'm gonna leave these guys to it. Make sure to check out Yost's video on the whole demonstration of the Lexan install. His is going a lot more in depth, and he's gonna also show the riveting and the whole process of putting it actually on the car. So stay tuned for that, and make sure to comment, like, and subscribe if you aren't already. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.
That's a wrap.